Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another candlestick chart analysis video, one of the last ones which I have to do. So this is how I choose my trading setups, how I decide to trade. And you see here, this candlestick is telling me that we are heating up, but I'm expecting that price will go down, but I was not able to buy at the per case because it was the last few seconds I was talking, and so I missed this opportunity because we got here double top forming at the 50 EMA. Yes, but I wanted not to enter so deep, yes, because a price can anyway reject from this level here because this is a neckline. So I will prepare to do a put now. Yes, I will do a put because I'm pretty much sure that the double top will unfold in down movement. Yes, because everything is looking going down here. You see the 200 EMA, the 100 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 20 EMA. Everything is heading down, and we have here some kind of ranging area. Yes, but this double top here now will unfold in a strong downtrend, and after this there will be, like I have explained in my ebook, a pullback here back to the neckline. You see already here the neckline was a first resistance, and then it got support, and now we are going here or in a good downtrend or in some kind of pullback here, and then in an uptrend. That is what will be happening. So all my trades, and also this one which I have shown you now, is based. Okay, wait, I have to do another put here. Yes, because we are still here. Let me see if I get a rejection. I will do a put. No, this looks like the pullback already. We didn't came to this level, yes. So I will not enter into a put. So all my trades are based on those things which I have explained in the ebook. In my ebook, get this ebook. It's for free. You find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, but also concepts and all in general price action concepts which can be applied to any kind of financial instrument, from Forex over digital options to any kind of financial instrument. So any time frame, any expiration time. So get this ebook. It's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. Don't miss this opportunity. So let me see if I can show you now some trades which I would have done here in this kind of scenario on this asset. So let me see. So I have done this put here. This put here on this candle. Why? Because we have here this kind of area here, which is the neckline, of this double top here, yes, and because I understood from the behavior here that I have explained this, try to avoid any kind of trade between EMAs, trade only if you are on one side of the EMAs. Yes, or at the edges here, if you have such almost ranging market. Here it was ranging, here it was trending, so you could do here was trending, here was ranging. You see the Bollinger Bands, how flat the Bollinger Band is. Yes, that is ranging market. Yes, and in this ranging market, you have tried to do your trades almost at the edges of the Bollinger Band. Yes, here, yes, and also here on the one deviation if price is in between of the one deviation. And I have done here this kind of trade only because I understood from this double top, because this candlestick here broke the neckline. The neckline was the 20 EMA, and then I entered into this trade. But you see how important the purchase time and the expiration time is. I have explained this in another video. It's a purchase time video, that you have to enter at the right purchase time, because if you would do this for 2 candles, you would get out of the money because the market was ranging. Yes, that is the important part what you have to understand here. Yes, so let me see if I can show you some more trades. So I would do this kind of put here because this candlestick closed at the 20 EMA in a downtrend. We are here in a downtrend, and this candlestick here closed at the 20 EMA, and this candlestick is showing me that we have still a downtrend active. Yes, that the downtrend will continue, and so I would enter into this kind of trade here without any kind of rejection, because I would expect that the 20 EMA will be broken because of this kind of candlestick. Yes, so I would do also this kind of trade, and you can maybe you know why I would do this kind of trade, because of this engulfing candle in combination with inverted bullish hammer. Yes, that is a strong signal of a reversal, and so you can enter into the next candle also if you have the 50 EMA here close to this. But if you would enter here in this area, you have enough space to get this in the money. So then I would do this kind of trade here, because again, inverted bullish hammer after a reversal, so it's a sign for a continuation, and I would try to stay away from this area here, because this area you see it's a consolidation area at the 20 EMA. So I would probably doing also this kind of trade here after this fake breakout of the 50 EMA, and after this nice reversal. I have explained this also in a lot of videos where I told you that reversals at the 100 EMA or 200 EMA almost hold longer than only one candle, and that would be the good opportunity to do a put here too. Yes, you see here price tried already to go through the 50 EMA, so this trade would be also legitimate. So let me see. Here I would trade only maybe this one here from the rejection from this round number here, the 1.1715, but only if I would see, because this is showing me a downtrend. This looks like a tweezer's bottom, yeah, tweezer's top. So I would probably doing also this kind of trade, because we are here in a downtrend. We are still below the 20 EMA, so you can trade those kind of pullbacks of the 20 EMA easily. So after this, yes, I would probably do in a call on this kind of candle, because those two candles show me that we have buying pressure, that the buyers are ready to do a reversal, and so I would trade also this kind of candle. Here in this kind of scenario I would not trade, because it would not be clear what will happen, if they are going to go down or not. That was not clear. So, and then here I would trade this kind of candle, and you know why, because like I have explained so often, this is a hammer, a bearish hammer. This is one of my previous favorable candlestick patterns, which I trade almost often with the inverted bullish hammer. Those two continuation trading patterns are those ones which are showing me that the downtrend, or here the bearish hammer is showing me that the downtrend will continue, and the inverted bullish hammer shows me that the uptrend will continue. So see here I'm trading mostly those one here. You see here again, yes, because they are really reliable. Yes, I rely on them, and I like them really, and I trade mostly those one. Yes, so then I would probably doing this kind of trade here. Yes, but you have to know how to trade this kind of engulfing candle. Yes, so wait till price got above this, and if it get at this level here, yes, where this gun, you can enter into a put, and so you get this also in the money, also if this would be not a bread candle. Yes, that is important. You have to get a good entry point. Yes, and then I would do probably also this kind of candlestick, because this engulfing candle here is showing me too that we are bleeding down. Yes, but the price got rejected here from this level. I don't know. Yes, from this level. This is this one here, the neckline of all those kind of double bottoms here. Here this was a double bottom, and this was a neckline. So I would do this kind of trade here from above to below. It would be a close one, but it would be in the money. So let me see if I can show you some more of those trades which I would have done and which I do. So let me see if I can show you here some more. So I would do here, like I have explained, this maybe, yes, after this kind of candlestick, which is showing me that we have huge selling pressure in a downtrend. I would do this only in a downtrend, yes, and the 20 EMA is heading down too, because we got here a pullback, and so you can expect that the downtrend will continue to go down, yes, and that would be this one. Here I have explained I would trade this kind of canal, I would trade this one here because of this hammer, bearish hammer. I would trade this one here because of the hammer, which and engulfing candle, yes, that is a hammer and an engulfing candle, so I would do this trade too. And we are below all EMAs, that is also an important sign, yes. And I have explained I would do this too because we have here a nice engulfing candle, which engulfs the previous candle completely. In this kind of scenario, I would not do any kind of trade, but this one here I would do, because you see here we have here the 50%. This quick here goes to the 50%, and so I would wait till price got hit this level, and because we got here a Bollinger Squeeze, I would expect a breakout. Yes, that is what you have your eyes on. You have to eyes on the Bollinger Squeeze here. Bollinger Squeeze, yes. Then here breakout, yes, Bollinger Squeeze, breakout. That is what's about. And on the Bollinger Squeeze, you get almost always a consolidation area. So you have to be carefully and understand when price will break out of it. So on this kind of scenario, I would probably doing only here nothing. I don't put here. You would get trapped, because you are here in between of those EMA, the 20, the 100 and the 200, and that is so tricky that I can only tell you, don't trade in such an area. Yes, if you would have to do some trades, you can do this kind of trade here. This kind of trade, let me show you this one here, yes, this call, because here we are below every other EMA, and that can be done, but I would not recommend to do this, because you see the 200 EMA is flat, and that is what makes the market unpredictable and very risky to trade. Yes, it's going in some kind of sort of gambling. So I would say that would be enough. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, join the Facebook group or let me there a comment in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.